In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add Flash games to a Weebly website. Let's get started. Sign in to your Weebly account and open the website where you want to add the game. Click Edit Site to open the website editor. If you're using a legacy version of Weebly that supports Flash, make sure you're on the Build tab. In the left panel, look for the Flash element. If you don't see it, click Show All Elements. Drag the Flash element onto your page where you want the game to appear. Click the Flash box, then select Upload File and choose your Flash game file from your computer. After the file has been uploaded, resize the Flash element so the game fits properly on your page. Preview your website to make sure everything is displayed correctly. Keep in mind that Adobe Flash has been discontinued and modern web browsers no longer support Flash content. If your game doesn't load, you'll need to convert it to a modern format such as HTML5 or use an HTML5 version of the game instead. That's how to add Flash games to a Weebly website. Thanks for watching.